Hello, it is so nice to be here with you. Somebody has famously said that only thing constant in life is change. And yet, people are scared of change. I'm not saying you're scared, but most of us are because it brings in uncertainty. And as a leader, you must have experienced that in the times or moments of uncertainty, your team looks up to you, not just for direction but also for reassurance and support. And yet, most of us as leaders focus entirely on the business part of the change, in the timelines, the milestones, and in the process, overlook the concerns their people are carrying silently. And that is where we have seen, and I'm sure you know it already, the change stalls, the change fails, the change dies. To explore the nuances of change process, how to balance business part and people part, I'm hosting a conversation on how to get this right on June 3rd, 2026. So together let us unlock what truly drives successful change. I look forward to seeing you there and going more into depth of this topic. See you there.